Are you dating a man that is ugly? You're a 10, and he's just a complete mess. What would you consider yourself?